The new PRV 803500.1, and this is the 2-ohm version. I know it says it's somewhere on here. Right here, 2-ohm version. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Oh, another PRV sticker. Some warranty stuff. Manuals. Allen keys. Let's get this out the way. Oh, they got these PRV stickers in the bottom. That means we can't open this bad boy up. I mean, I guess we could, but it'll void the warranty. Alright, so let's see how this compares to that tar amp that we did last week. Okay, tighten up that remote wire. Yep, that one. Is it nice and tight? Mm-hmm. Alright, so the power wires are in and the remote wire is in. No. Alright, let's see how this bad boy does on these two things. Look at the wires coming out of the ports. I gotta buy some terminals for the back. These are FI BTL Neos, so 15-inch. Dude, everything's shaking too much, man.
Doors don't shake like that.
Alright, so let's give it a shot. Man, I feel air on my foot from the porch.
I don't feel air from the
Alright, that's way too much, man. They're gonna call security, dude. And it didn't even clip. This is way more powerful than this little tar amp we got here. Right? Sounded 10 times louder for some reason. Anywho, let's try it on the highs right here and see what it sounds like. Because that's actually what I bought it for. But I would definitely use this on bass any day of the week. I just felt air on my foot from that thing playing so damn hard. That rattle is the closet door. See? What's this? Alright, that's it for the bass test before they send security up here. You know what? One more little quick test. I didn't even do that's an excess power lithium. I didn't even do like a voltage reading or a current drawer. Apparently that's only 2 amps of current draw. Okay then. Oh, I got one of these monetize your video songs from YouTube, so let's see how it goes on the highs. Did I even hit play? I guess not. Definitely louder than the tar amp by a lot.